The video's finished. Sorry. It was really fast, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. I know, but you know, that was 700 portrait photography tricks for home. So, what trick did you like the best? What trick did you like the best? What trick did you like the best? Write it in the comments below, and if you liked the video, give the video a thumbs up, share the video with all your friends, and in the end, I just want to say, see you in the next video, but I have to say in German, ich wünsche dir noch einen schönen Tag, einen schönen Nachmittag, einen schönen Abend, was auch immer. Wir sehen uns im nächsten Video. Mach's gut, mach's besser. Ciao, ciao.